Here are 2 binders to help your teachers learn about Kami for accessibility. This one I like to think is more for elementary, and this one could be for secondary. However, it's really the same. The only difference is the strategies. So again, you can kind of mix and match based on your district goals. But for this activity, the first thing is they're asked a question. What accessibility tools are available in Kami? They're going to do their answer first. So they have the question and they write their answer in this box. Same thing for this one as well. What accessibility tools are available in Kami? Again, they're going to add their answer right here. Then what happens is I'm going to provide the correct answer. So everybody's going to pause. They're going to see kind of different ways that Kami can be used for accessibility. Then they're going to reflect. So again, I'm going to set another timer. Did they get it correct or wrong? And how did they solve it correctly? Or where did they make any errors? Did they learn any new things that might help them in their own classrooms? Here is a page for notes. So as I'm kind of demonstrating, they're going to be given time to take notes on the next page. So again, very similar for that secondary and same for that elementary. Here, very similar activities when it comes to the crime. They're going to go through and have a student, the crime, and some evidence. Then they're going to think of the solution. So again, you can kind of do this as think, pair, share, where they're going to think through and they are going to be able to think through the student, the crime, and the evidence, and then that solution. On this next one is where it changes. Here's where there's different strategies, and for this activity, it is using the Kagan approach, where here it is using some resources from Wit and Wisdom and Great Minds. So again, depending on your resources, you can change the strategies on what might support different students. But it goes over what is the strategy and the purpose of it. And there's also links that will take you to different resources that can support this strategy using Kami in your classroom. And then you identify. They're going to reflect and think about one new strategy or idea that they learned today and give an example of how to use it. So again, this session can be a great way to boost accessibility and help teachers understand how to build and use accessibility in their own classroom.